أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is Qari Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Al-Hakeem Academy. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to learn lesson number 8, standing fatha, standing kasra and standing dhamma. Standing fatha means standing zabar, standing kasra means standing zer, and standing dhamma means standing pesh. Instructions: prolong the standing fatha, standing zabar, standing kasra, standing zer, and standing dhamma, standing pesh equal to 1 alif. Standing fatha is equal to alif madda, standing kasra is equal to ya madda, and standing dhamma is equal to waw madda. Note: don't take the voice of madda letters which comes after noon or meme into the nose. Look in the first box. This is a ba. It has one dot at the bottom side and standing zabar on the top. And how will you read? I will tell you. Be listen carefully. This is ba. First read a letter, then moments. Ba standing fatha ba, and you can read like this: ba standing zabar ba, ya standing fatha ya, ya standing zabar ya, ra standing fatha ra, mim standing fatha ma, lam standing fatha la, waw standing fatha wa, noon standing fatha na, hamza standing fatha a, ha standing fatha ha, ain standing fatha a, ha standing fatha ha, ghain standing fatha gha, kha standing fatha kha, ta standing fatha ta, tha standing fatha tha, jim standing fatha ja, dal standing fatha da, zal standing fatha za, za standing fatha za, sin standing fatha sa, shin standing fatha sha, sad standing fatha sa, dad standing fatha da, ta standing fatha ta, za standing fatha za, fa standing fatha fa, qaf standing fatha qa, kaf standing fatha ka, hamza standing zer e, hamza standing kasra e, hamza standing zer e, ha standing kasra he, ha standing zer kasra he, ha standing zer he, waw standing dhamma wu, waw standing, ha standing dhamma hu, ha standing pesh hu, hamza standing pesh u, hamza standing dhamma u. Mashallah, you can read both methods, fatha, dhamma and kasra, zabar, zer and pesh. If you like this video, please share this video as much as you can on different social medias: Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Facebook. So thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.